So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today join me here in Germany, Bottrop to be a little bit more specific, and if you guys kind of know what is in Bottrop, and by the title of this video you'll know exactly why we're here. So we're here with Brabus, and my little name card here. They've actually given us a care package for our arrival, which you can see in here, and there's something inside that we've been asked to wear. Here's the hoodie that we've been given to wear for the trip. It's actually really comfortable, to be honest. So yeah, you might be wondering what I'm actually doing here. So we've been very kindly invited down to Brabus to explore the HQ and be taken out in the cars from winning a competition over on Instagram. So we've got like pretty much a whole day worth of going out in the cars, exploring the factory and everything like that. So yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow when we're on our way there.
Had a workshop over the road and he was just selling Mercedes cars, and his son Bottrop used to help out a bit, and he was working there in the times where he didn't have school and didn't have uni, and at this time he was driving quite a nice Porsche, yeah, but unfortunately, you know, Mercedes dealership and Porsche doesn't really work together, so he said, alright, you have to put your Porsche aside and you have to drive an S-Class, and the name Brabus has actually a quite nice history to it as well. Back in the day in Germany, you were forced to have two people when you want to start a business, so you had to be as two, you can't start a business on your own. So it was like a casual trick to just get a friend of yours, come on, we just want to open a new company, and then the day after you can leave, and I pay you like the half of the company. And this is what they did. And Bottrop and his friend Mr. Brackman, so Brackman B-R-A and Bushman B-U-S, so these two letters together makes Brabus. And this is how it all started. And back in the day, they didn't really care about the name, so it was just like, yeah, we need a name, this is what we do. And I think right now, everyone, when you say Brabus, I think quite a lot of people actually know what Brabus is.
So these are all the bikes. This is the 296 GTB, new C-Class. And then they was talking about the restorations and stuff that they do to the cars. Because it's like, they don't just put all the wheels and stuff, they actually do like full restorations to do all the cars. But this is cool. So this is the S-Class, and they were saying that the numbers and stuff on the back represent like the horsepower and everything.
Yeah, it's right below there, so you can see on basically all the big Brabus engine cars, it has like the power on the side. Yeah. So if you're alright, then I'll just take you over and start off in the workshop.
So we've just had the tour around the factory inside, and then we're just looking currently at the two cars. So there's the Rolls Royce, which is a new thing that they've started doing, which is just there, and then the Mercedes, I think this is the S-Class, the Maybach, with a very bright Tiffany blue interior, which is mental. This is very bright, and they've got it all over the floor as well. This looks cool. And then at the back.
You can also see the whole booth is also in leather. It's not just an interior.
Oh god, they've done everything.
That's really nice.
That looks cool. And all the door cards and everything, and you can sort of see it like illuminated around the there as well. And they was just showing us as well the Porsche that they've just started to do. So they're only doing like, I think there's two models. There's the TurboS and the Taycan. But yeah, this is cool. You'll have seen this just driving past a second ago, but it's a very nice 812 here. I like that. But yeah, look at this. I'll show you around this Porsche. I think these are one of my favourites. Like just the look of it, just all the carbon and just, yeah, everything about it looks so good. Look at that wing as well. That looks so cool. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to actually film inside the factory, which kind of makes sense because there's customer cars and obviously they didn't want them to be seen before the customer does. And I've just spotted as well over here the new Taycan. So this is the first time I've ever seen a Brabus Taycan, which is very different. Look at the green interior with the green accents, which kind of makes sense because obviously on the Porsches, the electric, they do have the like electric green or yellow colour. that's Brabus's testing G-Wagon they were saying, so that's pretty cool to see that they've got like a little testing and helicopter pad and everything, and this car's literally going in and out constantly, I think.
I think it's quite nice, like.
So we've come into the classic showroom area, and I'll show you a little bit of the collection that they have in here, which is pretty cool. 3.5. Oh, I've got such an appreciation for the older generation of cars, which I didn't have before. I've kind of only just started recently looking at the older cars, but these are all the ones that they've restored in the factory just through there, which we can't actually unfortunately show you, but they said that they do them in the colours exactly how they are, and then the interior, which I'll show you on this one, they try and colour match it exactly to how it was when it was first made. So like they don't use the Brabus leather like what they would use in the new generation of cars. They try and get it to sort of match exactly how it was back. But look at all that. The attention to detail and everything is just insane. Now going out for our test drives. I think it's between these two here, this one and this one. But Konstantin's Ferrari Pista has pulled up with the insane looking blue carbon. This looks so good. I think they also like Ferraris here. Look at the size of this in comparison to me. This is one of the cars that we will be taking out. So this is the 900. I'm going to kind of stand near this one because I kind of do want to take this one out over the other one. Although, I mean, both of them will be an absolutely incredible experience regardless, but yeah, look at the size of that. That is massive. Very quickly to round it up, thank you again to the guys here at Brabus for the invite down and the journey in the cars. They sound insane, as you will see from the official video, which I'll leave linked below. So yeah, it's been a great day and I can't thank the guys enough, and yeah, what an experience. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.